Differences between acid-base titration and redox titration. Definition. In acid-base titrations, an acid, acidic titrations, or a base, basic titrations, is used as the titrant. Definition. Redox titration. A redox titration involves a redox reaction. Redox reaction has two reactions, an oxidation reaction and a reduction reaction. Nature of the reaction. Acid-base titration. An acid-base titration involves a neutralization reaction between the analyte, the solution with the unknown concentration, and the acidic or basic titrant. Nature of the reaction. Redox titration. A redox reaction involves an oxidation and reduction reaction between the analyte and the titrant. There is no such rule that component oxidizes and which one reduces. Determination of the endpoint. Acid-base titration. With a pH indicator, a pH meter, or a conductance meter. Determination of the endpoint. Redox titration. With a potentiometer or a redox indicator, or most frequently either the analyte or the titrant produces a color at the endpoint. Use of indicators. Acid-base titration. Weak acids and weak bases are used as indicators for acid-base titrations. Use of indicators. Redox titration. Some redox species act as self-indicators, and for most cases special redox indicators are used. Occurrence. Acid-base titration. Acid-base titration are more common as it can take place between any form of acid and base, weak and strong. Occurrence. Redox titration. Redox titration are commonly seen among the D block elements.